If you're looking for a companion that cleans your apartment, stays out of your way when you're busy, and suggests healthy routines for you, I don't know any humans that fit that criteria, but have you met the Roomba i3 robotic vacuum? Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. I'm Devin Howard on Instagram as @DevinHoward and on TikTok as @DevinMHoward. Today we're unboxing the Roomba i3 robot vacuum cleaner, which does all your cleaning for you. Anything that simplifies the cleaning process is worthwhile in my book, and the Roomba i3 robotic vacuum makes tidying up your floors simple and effortless. It has powerful pickup, so dust, dirt, and fur get sucked up instantly. Plus, it has smart navigation, no falling down stairs or getting stuck in tight corners, and that's more than I can say about myself. The Roomba i3 zooms around your home, leaving shiny, clean floors in its path. So let's take it out of the box and put it to the test. It is time to unbox this. You guys know I like to live my laziest life, and the Roomba i3 will definitely help me do that, so let's take this out of the box. Wow, look at that. It's a lot less intense looking than I thought it would be, and it's pretty heavy. So we've got the wheels on the bottom. That'll help it roll around your home and clean everything up. Now here we have the base and a peel moment. Nice. Here we have your quick start guide. Here we have your safety information. And then finally, we have the warranty agreement. This is your power cord. And then this is an extra filter. Now that's everything that comes in the box, you guys. So let's clear the table off and then we'll talk about the Roomba i3 and how it might be the companion that you've been looking for all your life. I like to keep my apartment nice and clean, but after a long day of shooting episodes of Unbox This, the last thing I want to do is come home and tidy up my floors. That's where the Roomba i3 robotic vacuum comes in handy. Dirt, dust, and fur stand no chance against the powerlifting suction and premium 3-stage cleaning system. The Roomba i3 gets to work on your floors while you work or while you lounge. It's just totally effortless. It uses reactive sensor technology, which tells the vacuum where it can and can't go. It's not going to get all tangled up in your chair legs or stuck in a corner. The sensors keep it out of trouble and focused on getting your home clean. Now, if only my coworkers had reactive sensor technology so they could know where they can and can't go when I'm trying to film my show. Here's a hint, Nico. You're supposed to be behind the camera. Gosh, thank you. I need robots for coworkers. Now, back to the vacuum. Basically, this guy's super smart. It sucks up dirt and debris around your home in neat rows using state-of-the-art sensors. Additionally, it uses dirt detect sensors, which focuses your robot's cleaning efforts on the dirtiest parts of your home. The floors by your front door will get the extra TLC they need. To make vacuuming even more effortless, the Roomba i3 learns your cleaning habits and offers personalized schedules so it can start working when it's most convenient for you. You can also control the vacuum through Google Assistant and Alexa. It's also always looking out for you. It'll suggest an extra cleaning session when it can tell pollen count is high in your neighborhood or when it's pet shedding season. Speaking of pets, I know we all love our fur babies, but they do make things a little bit messier. The Roomba i3's dual multi-surface rubber brushes don't get tangled with pet hair, but they do capture and trap 99% of cat and dog allergens. If your Roomba i3 starts to run low on batteries, it recharges and then resumes where it left off, ensuring a complete and total clean. Okay, you guys, so we've talked all about the Roomba i3 robotic vacuum, and now it's time to put it to the test. I've got some chips here. We're gonna crumble them up, and then we're gonna see the Roomba get to work. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna crumple up these chips and spread them all over the table. My coworkers love it when I do this. Ooh, these are chunks. Okay, I'm gonna turn the Roomba on and we'll see how well it cleans everything up. All right, we're watching the robot work. What I really like about it is that I don't have to think about it at all. It's just working. I don't have to keep an eye on it. It's not a handheld device, so it just makes it super easy to sit back, relax while the Roomba cleans up all of my messes. These cheese puffs don't stand a chance. Okay, you guys, the Roomba i3 did such a great job of cleaning up the table. Let's open this up. All right, so you can actually see so many cheese puffs in here. This is crumb central inside this bin. Okay, guys, I'm gonna dump them out. And this is also very easy to manage. Once your Roomba is done cleaning up your floors, it's just as simple as dumping it out. And then you can put it back in and you're ready to go again. Now that was a lot of cheese puffs. I'm sorry if you're a big fan of cheese puffs, I did just waste quite a few. But the Roomba did a good job of cleaning it up, so it was worth it. If you want your apartment or home to stay spotless without you having to do anything about it, the Roomba i3 is for you. Shop for one at the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard, thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye guys!